Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert Google AI Studio app into web app. All right, let's begin. To start, open Google AI Studio and access the application you want to deploy. Navigate to the top toolbar, access the Share tab, and click on the GitHub integration icon, which is located near the end. Follow the prompts to connect and authorize your GitHub account, then create a repository to instantly export your application code. Next, open Vercel.com in your browser and sign in using that same GitHub account. From your Vercel dashboard, click on New Project and select the option to import your GitHub repository. Locate your exported project file from the list and click the Import button. Finally, click Deploy. Vercel will automatically build, configure, and host your project files in the background. Once the process completes, click Visit to view your live, fully functional web application. So that's basically how you can convert Google AI Studio app into web app. That's it for this video. Thanks.